no be small wahala wey don dey ground like dis, my good people. The Edo Democracy Movement wey be EDM, dem don dey criticize the Nigerian police force for alleged partnership and selective law enforcement in the lead up to the Edo State governorship election wey dem don arrange say e go happen for the 21st day of September for inside this year 2024. This group wey be EDM so, dem dey para well like this, dem no get joy, my good people. And dem dey para sake of the police no dey do anything regarding one All Progressive Congress wey be APC chieftain and the supernumerary chief superintendent of police wey be SPY, wey dem film, wey dem put am for video as im dey threa ten the Edo State governor wey be Godwin Obaseki. Normally, my good people, that kind levels e no make sense at all for a police officer to come dey threa ten a governor of a state. I never hear that kind one before. This group now wey be EDM, Edo Democracy Movement, dem dey para well sake of the matter. Now dem come still dey yarn say upon say the Inspector General of Police wey be Kayode Egbetokun don already drop a clear directive say make dem arrest that APC chieftain wey threa ten the Edo State governor. The police never do anything about the matter. Now when the Inspector General of Police come talk, normal the police suppose to follow, but this na why dem dey para, because even as the Inspector General of Police don talk, the police they never follow, they never do anything regarding this issue. And you see this APC chieftain in question, my good people, he was captured well on camera as in they make threats against the Edo State governor wey be Godwin Obaseki. And you see this particular incident, e come dey raise concern sake of the election wey dey come up for inside Edo State. Edo State people now come dey feel insecure. But however, my good people, for inside one statement wey dey issued on Thursday wey be the 19th day of September for inside this year 2024, and this statement e dey signed by their coordinator, im dey go by the name Omoregbe Osayuwa. The EDM wey be Edo Democracy Movement, they demand for the immediate arrest of the APC chieftain and then condemn this matter, and they describe am as selective enforcement of the law. And the EDM consider yarn say the failure to arrest the APC chieftain for his dangerous and inflammatory statements against the Edo State governor wey be Governor Godwin Obaseki, it is send a clear message to the people of Edo State. Say the police, they are very much biased towards the All Progressive Congress wey be APC, and they cannot be trusted to ensure a fair and credible election. And no be lie, my good people, as the police now begin to perform like this, one can only fear for the election wey go sup for inside Edo State, because the police now they try to tell us say they no send PDP their matter, but you see the APC they need to carry for head like dreadlock. And my good people, those kind of levels normally it no make sense. But the EDM will be the Edo Democracy Movement, they constantly accuse the police of acting with undue haste. That is, they not even waste time when they arrest and detain several chieftains and supporters of the People's Democratic Party wey be PDP for inside the recent weeks. PDP members now, they have been picked up across Edo State and transported to Abuja without arrest warrants or formal charges. Yet, despite clear evidence against the APC chieftain, the police they don't still ignore the issue. All this talk, my good people, they call from the EDM group wey be Edo Democracy Movement, and no be lie, my good people, this matter so na ojoro. The things and things wey the police they do, it no make sense. They are very much aware say governorship election go soon shele for inside Edo State, and they still dey arrest PDP chieftain without arrest warrant, and they never even tell the general public wetin dey sup. They just carry them put for prison, all those kind of levels normally. So yes, the police, they are being biased to the All Progressive Congress wey don already promise Edo State people insecurity. The matter e never finish, my good people, is plenty. I still bring another interesting information wey I go like make una dey aware about. The koko be say Godwin Obaseki wey be the current governor of Edo State, e don come aside now dey yarn dey give the general public say we gree while green country wey be Nigeria is technically bankrupt. And Oga Godwin Obaseki wey be the current governor of Edo State, in the yarn this one during one interview wey im get with Tori people. And for inside this interview, Oga Godwin Obaseki come dey burn some kind cables. He can give us in point of view, he can elaborate on his own concerns over the financial health of a country, Nigeria, while im dey criticize the federal government for being stuck in the past. The governor come dey talk plenty about the urgent need for restructuring to facilitate progress for inside we country. According to how im take yarn am, my good people, he say we country Nigeria is technically bankrupt o. When you are bankrupt anywhere in the world, like in the States, you restructure your affairs so that you can reorganize and be able to meet your obligations. But we country Nigeria is still behaving as if dem get money like dem been get am before. Our country Nigeria don dey inside gbese for a while now, and we no get enough to take cover our expenditures, and we are not reducing our expenditures, and we are not anymore. The federal government now, they no get the capacity anymore to manage the economy. All this one, my good people, they come from Oga Godwin Obaseki. And my good people, everything wey im yarn for inside that interview na legit, because the things and things wey this federal government dey do, e no make sense at all. They dey do as if money still dey for inside the country. The way dem take dey spend the thing, the way dem take dey borrow money, is not making sense at all. Now, when things don choke like this, instead of you to reorganize yourself, cut some kind things off, reorganize, restructure, no, they still dey live buga lifestyle. They go still go dey borrow money to take pay workers, they borrow money to take pay who dem go borrow from. That kind of level is normal, e no make sense. Now, to tell you say this man wetin im talk na legit and no be him be the first person wey talk am, I go yarn you koko. No say e get one time wey the activist wey dey go by the name Aisha Yesufu, she been come outside to come dey yarn dey give the general public plus the federal government say now wey things don be somehow for inside the country Nigeria, let us look at the National Assembly. She said the senators and the House of Representatives, if you check am properly, you see am say those two houses, they are doing almost the same thing. So why not drop one side and let the other one cover wetin the other one be dey do to save some kind money so that e go take boost the economy, to take help some kind things. But the federal government, they no give am listening ear. If we say we begin to calculate the money wey senators and the House of Rep members they carry the go house every month, my good people, we no go come up for here today. Last, wetin Oga Godwin Obaseki talk na legit, because when man don see am say things don change for him lifestyle, him go reduce the way into the spend to take make sure say him catch up. You understand? Now when you don observe and say situation don stew, everywhere don marama for you, na that time you feel buga. Even if you no want buga sef, it's left for you. But when things don dey choke, no be when they dey do dorime. But this na the informate wey I wan pass give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. This na Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this information and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first receive the update and you go get them sharp. I dey come your side again with another interesting informate for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.